What's up, y'all? Feet's here. Feet's here. Mode today. Allergies. Check this out. Some old 80s stuff for you. Get off my stuff, Stripe. This. Oh, let me throw Stripe back over. Where Stripe goes. Yeah, I'm drinking coffee and doing other stuff. Anyway, old floppy disk drive. I think I was 15, 16, 17 when this was the rage. And check this out. Well, floppy disk. Wow. So let's open this up and see what's on it. In it. These things are quite heavy because I've opened one of these already, and the whole bottom of this thing is a power supply. Do. Oh wow, fingers. Luckily, there's just 4 screws in this. Won't be too boring. I should bend the camera down so you can see what I'm doing, huh? It's like we used to do it on radio. Hear the sounds and figure out what's going on. Yep, you can see me. Come on now. Well, the other one was a whole lot easier to open. Should have filmed that one. Ornery bastard. You rotten piece of plastic. I'm getting there. Off-camera violence here. Hang on. Man, I got this joker on there good. I'm so stupid. Look here. They hid a couple of screws on me. There's one in there and one in there. Now that I've figured out how to get in it. Look at that. A sheet of aluminum, I think. Let's see. Yep. Aluminum. Actually, what I thought was the power supply is just a metal box that they put in it just to mess with people they knew was going to take it apart later. Those silly. Need to not cuss. Well, come here, screwdriver. I need a sip of coffee. Two sips. See, kid, this is what it's going to be like when you're in your 40s. This is what you have to look forward to. Sitting home on a Friday night, drinking coffee, getting stupid, putting it on YouTube. Guess I should have picked out a song for this, huh? Okay. What? Try to get sneaky bastard. That's what I'll do. I'll cuss like Carmen Maroney from now on. Corksucker. Well, so far, 5 minutes, 6 minutes in, it's a metal box. I see a card in the top. Let's go for the top. There we go. Ah, I see something in there. Steel for the steel pile. This is basically what you're looking for if you get one of these things to open it. There's not much in here. There's 3 chips. You got a little gold plate in here. You got some pins, gold plating. Some gold plated pins here. Aluminum under this. A little bit of gadgetry in there to spin the disc, which ain't much, but let's see what's the copyright on this. 1986. I was 15 years old. They still had cassettes back in. I think you still ran beta tapes. You'll have to Google that one. But that's what's in there. Not much. So, see ya.